Under Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 1 of the 1987 Constitution, a majority of each house shall constitute a quorum. A majority of each house shall constitute a quorum to do business, but a smaller number may adjourn. Tignan nyo ito, may adjourn from day to day and may compel the attendance of absent members in such manner and under such penalties as such house may provide. Instead, it says, a majority of each house shall constitute a quorum to do business. The text says majority of each house, not a majority of a particular session. Yun yung Zamora versus Caballero. Both cited here. Is that majority in this context means majority of all members of the house, not a majority of those physically present at the start of a session. Quorum is defined as that number of members of a body which, when legally assembled in their proper places, will enable the body to transact its proper business, or that number which makes a lawful body and gives its power to pass upon a law or ordinance to do any valid act. Majority, when required to constitute a quorum, means more than half of all the members of the body. More than half of all members of the House. Example, Senate 13 out of 24. House 155 out of 308. Assuming full membership. No House rule may reduce quorum below this constitutional floor. Only adjourn from day to day and compel attendance of absentees. Nothing else. Ito ang misinterpretation ng maraming abogado. And 99% of all the lawyers I heard misinterpreted this. Whether DDS or hindi DDS. They cannot still hold business. Sabi niya, a majority of each house shall constitute a quorum to do business. Kailangan ng quorum to do business. But a smaller number may adjourn from day to day. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag wala silang quorum, pwede lang silang mag-adjourn from day to day until magkaroon sila ng quorum to do business. Ngayon, kung adjourn sila ng adjourn because they cannot do business, they may compel the attendance of absent members in such manner and under such penalties as such house may approve for them to constitute a quorum and for them to do business. Kapag nag-start sila and they have a quorum, they can do business.